I am Joyce Payne, the founder of the Thurgood Marshall College Fund, and on Lincoln University's campus today to celebrate a $25 million grant from the Lilly Endowment. We are so pleased to have this relationship not only with Lincoln, but with the endowment and with the students and the scholars and faculty here at Lincoln University and the other 50 so universities that we represent. This is going to make a difference in the lives of our students. It's going to give them that added resource, that added support that they need to move through their academic program and to accomplish their aspirations in terms of their career goals. So we're very excited about it. It's all about capacity building. It's about moving our universities. But we're hoping that we can use this to bring all of our scholars together and faculty to not only talk about what we're doing today, but how we will be prepared in the next 50 years to continue to be an economic driver for the nation as American universities. So we're very pleased to be here at Lincoln, and I understand you're a graduate of Bowie State University, and Bowie is one of our fine universities as well. So we look forward to building on this relationship. Thank you.